I created agents, built workflows, and even managed emails, all without coding or complicated setup. This is lindy.ai, designed to let anyone spin up their own AI assistant in just a few clicks. No steep learning curve required. So in this video, I'm putting Lindy to the test to see if it really makes work easier with all its pros and cons. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Log in to Lindy and simply type the agent you want to create. For example, I typed, "Create an agent that checks my Gmail every morning, pulls unread client emails, and summarizes them into Slack." Within seconds, Lindy had auto-generated the entire workflow. Behind the scenes, it set up the Gmail trigger, the summarization action, and the Slack output, all automatically. The interface leans on simple triggers and actions, like, when I get an email from X, do Y. You can drag and drop steps, or just type what you want, and Lindy understands. It also supports natural language refinement, so instead of rebuilding from scratch, you can tweak instructions conversationally and the workflow updates instantly. Lindy isn't just limited to email and Slack. It connects with over 200 apps, including Gmail, HubSpot, Google Calendar, and Notion, so you can plug it into your existing workflows instead of building new ones from scratch. Another thing that makes Lindy approachable is its library of templates. These are ready-made agents you can launch in just a couple of clicks. Each template comes preloaded with triggers and actions, but you can customize prompts, swap integrations, and refine outputs until it matches your workflow. One of the standout features for me is knowledge base integration. You can upload PDFs, connect Google Docs, or pull from a Notion database. That means instead of giving generic AI responses, Lindy references your actual materials. It turns into a knowledge-aware assistant that can answer consistently with your company's policies and processes, almost like giving your AI employee a memory. You can also set up a human-in-the-loop feature so that Lindy asks for your confirmation before taking important actions. Of course, with any AI platform, security matters. Lindy uses AES-256 encryption for data at rest and in transit, the same standard used in banking, and it's SOC2 and HIPAA compliant, which makes it viable for finance and healthcare. It also supports role-based access control, so team members only see what's relevant to them. That said, there are trade-offs. Lindy works on a credit-based pricing which can drain your wallet fast. It's still a young platform, so you may hit glitches, and because it leans heavily on Google tools, it asks for a lot of permissions up front. Finally, advanced users who want full control over complex flows may prefer N8N or direct API workflows over the simple Lindy automations. Now let's talk pricing. The free plan gives you 400 credits per month, which is fine for testing, but you can't use for premium actions. The Pro plan costs $50 a month and includes 5,000 credits. For larger needs, the business plan is $200 a month with 50 million character knowledge bases. Overall, lindy.ai is one of the easiest ways I've found to offload repetitive work with tons of app integrations and safety features. So try it using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another powerful AI tutorial, check out this video next.